In order to be a business consultant, you need to have clients, you need to engage those clients, you need to attract them, and ultimately you need to sell them something. Hey, what's up? This is Jason Drone. Today we're going to talk about becoming a business consultant. Now I know that might be weird, but here's the truth. Becoming a business consultant is probably a whole lot easier today than it was 5 years ago or 10 years ago or 20 years ago. The most important thing is that you have experience and you have knowledge. So I'm not talking about going to college and finishing with, a 4-year degree in business management or whatever. Yes, you have value, but in terms of solving real world, kind of business problems, then it's difficult. If, however, you have some experience, you have some tenure in solving real life business challenges, then becoming a consultant is really, really very, very simple. I hate to say you just need a website, but really the fact of the matter is, you need a website, you need to grow your platform, you need the social media profiles, you need to post to those social media profiles a lot. Anybody can be an expert in anything. That's one of the things we learned, through social media posts and, this new content revolution that is coming out. Based on content marketing, anybody can be an expert in anything. So it's a good thing because it lets you charge for your services and create your offers well. It's a bad thing because that also means that you have lots and lots of other competition for people who are also looking to be business consultants. So you need to set yourself apart. You need to stand alone. You need to attract your potential clients. And that's really all there is to it. In order to be a business consultant, you need to have clients, you need to engage those clients, you need to attract them, and ultimately you need to sell them something. So whether it is your day-long consulting package or it is your monthly consulting arrangement where you talk on the phone with them that is, kind of borderline coaching, you need something to sell. So we've built quite a few sales funnels for consultants and coaches, so there's a very, very thin line in my mind that separates the two between a consultant and a coach. Oftentimes the lines blur, so in one moment a coach is a consultant and also a coach, and the same is true in reverse. Like a consultant will have moments of coaching but then be a consultant. So really they're one and the same in terms of attracting clients and building sales funnels and getting people to call you, getting people to buy from you. What I will say though, you need to focus on a specialty. You need to be special, with one thing. So for us, we get shit done. We build sales funnels, we do ad management for companies around the world. But it started with just me. It started me building sales funnels because it's something that I enjoy doing. And I also had a whole lot of experience doing it for our stuff and for little clients and projects and stuff that we had, before we started doing it big time, which was like 5 years ago. It started with me being the business consultant. And then I just decided that building and solving problems for our clients was a whole lot more gratifying than talking about solving problems for clients. So that's my own personal take on it. You could be very different, but what I will say is you want to focus on a specialty. You don't want to be just a business consultant. You want to be the sales process business consultant. You want to be the outsourcing business consultant. You want to be the programming business consultant, somebody who understands React, JavaScript, or SQL scripts or whatever. You need to have a focus and a specialty, and that will far and away do a lot for generating business, especially from referrals. you want to have a webinar, you want to have a sales funnel, you want to have a website, and all that stuff up and running. But in terms of being the business consultant first, you just want to have a specialty and you want to be visible. You want to have a website, you want to have some blog posts, you want to be seen as the expert that you are, so you can command the pricing that you want to command. So if you want to have a conversation about it, I'm totally down. Click the button somewhere on this page or underneath this video or whatever to set up an action plan call with me, and we will gladly, talk about your business, talk about what you want to do, kind of go from there. So have fun. I'll talk to you soon. All right. If you like this video, share with your friends, like it, whatever, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.